Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about design pattern in Java, abstract factory pattern. So abstract factory pattern is a design pattern used in software development to create families of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete classes. It helps in promoting loose coupling and enhancing flexibility in code. Key concepts: factory, a place where objects are created. Abstract factory, an interface that declares methods for creating abstract products. Concrete factory, implementations of the abstract factory which produce specific products. Products, the objects created by factories, often categorized into different types. When to use? Use the abstract factory pattern when you need to create a set of related objects. Your code needs to be independent of how the objects are created. You want to enforce consistency among objects created by the factory. Example: imagine you are building a user interface for different operating systems like Windows and Mac. You may have buttons and text boxes that look different based on the OS. Instead of creating these UI components directly, you can use the abstract factory pattern. Interface GUI factory, button create button, text box create text box. Class Windows factory implements GUI factory. Class public button create button, return new Windows button, etc. So the abstract factory pattern helps in creating families of related objects seamlessly. By using this pattern, you can ensure that your code remains flexible and maintainable. So this was a brief discussion on abstract factory pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.